In this video, I'm gonna show you how to recover Brawl Stars account. So the first step is to simply open any browser. So you can do this on your mobile device if you want, or on your computer, it doesn't matter. And then simply search for recover Brawl Stars account and then click on Supercell support portal. Then what you're gonna have to do is simply scroll down and select Brawl Stars. And then here, as you can see, you're gonna have to simply click on account protection, and then you're gonna have to simply, so let's scroll down here, and you're gonna have to simply look for the support button. So let me go back, and then we're gonna have to simply choose, so you're gonna have to click on contact form, and then here you're gonna have to simply log in into your account, and then you're gonna have to simply tell them that you can access your Supercell account, your Brawl Stars account, and then they're gonna help you with your account. So basically that's all you have to do. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.